If you want to start making massive sales on your ebook, then make sure to watch this video to the very end. Creating ebooks is actually the simplest part. The real work comes when it's time for you to convert those ebooks into sales itself. The number one thing you need to understand is the fact that you don't make sales on your ebook if it's actually just created. You make sale only when you put it at the front of the right audience. That's why in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 effective ways to start making sales today. And the number one on the list is what I call direct selling. For example, you know that feeling you always have when you watch a movie and you're so excited and you go around, sharing about that movie. A whole lot of people are even excited, and at the end of the day, they actually go to watch that movie again, even though you don't earn anything from that particular referral. The same energy you put in that particular movie is the same energy you want to put inside your ebook itself, but this time you're focusing on the value of your ebook, and then you're pushing it to people around you, people that already have trust in you. For example, your friends, your family members. You're selling directly to them, and the best case scenario is you creating a one-time video content about this particular ebook where you show the value, show a whole lot of things they're going to be getting from that ebook, and then you start selling it directly on WhatsApp or other social media content. The second on the list is what I call the affiliate method. The affiliate method is simply you putting your ebooks in platforms where we have a whole lot of affiliate marketers that are ready to help you sell this particular ebook. For example, Seller has what we call the affiliate network. On the affiliate network, you can actually publish your ebook inside it, and then from there, people that are actually interested in that ebook can help you promote the ebook itself, meaning that you're going to be getting sales without you doing the marketing aspect. They're going to be doing the marketing aspect for you, but at the end of the day, they're going to be getting about 30% or whatever percent commission from that particular ebook. This is actually another method you can actually go about. Then the third on the list is what I call the free method. We call this the free method. A whole lot of people that sell ebook actually understand this method. It involves you creating a free product from the start, and then the idea is that you want to get a whole lot of customers on the long term. You're not just thinking of short term, you're thinking about long term, something that you can do, that you can keep on making sales, recurring sales, returning sales. That's the idea. From the start, you're creating a free product that is actually valuable, and then people actually love this particular ebook, and at the end of the day, in exchange, they give you their emails or they give you their WhatsApp number, and then after acquiring all the emails or phone number, you build a community. In this community, already they've enjoyed one of your free products, so they know that your brand is actually trustworthy and valuable. So from there, you can start creating more ebooks, but this time ebooks that they're actually going to pay, and then from there, you already build the trust. People can actually start buying from you. The fourth method on this particular list is what I call the normal short form free traffic, which involves you creating Instagram accounts or Facebook accounts and normal social media accounts, and you start posting consistently. Okay, this is not for those that are shy. Even if you're shy, I would not advise you to be shy when it comes to marketing. Where anything that deals with selling to people, you must not be shy of the camera. So this particular method involves you creating content consistently, valuable content that people would actually enjoy and people would actually learn a whole lot of things. But then this content is going to be related to this ebook you want to sell. So inside this content, you also add the link of your particular product to your bio. So while you're creating content, at the end of the day, you're redirecting them to that particular link to make sales. And then the final on the list is what I call the paid method, which is basically paid advertisement. If you're going to be running paid advertisement, I would always advise you to go for either WhatsApp or Facebook advertisement. It's very, very simple. All you have to do for Facebook is to head to the Facebook Ads Manager. From there, you're simply going to the area for create campaign. Everything is going to be shown to you, where you're going to write the title, where you're going to write the description. But one thing you need to focus on in this particular advertisement is the area for interest. You want to ensure you're selecting interest of people that would actually love that particular ebook itself. You're selecting people that are interested in that ebook. Do not forget to do this. And then once you're done setting up the advertisement, then you can start running ads every single day with as little as about 1,000 to 2,000 naira, and you're going to be getting a whole lot of audience, a whole lot of impression. The higher the impression, the higher the probability of you making sales. And remember, you don't make sales from your ebook by just creating the ebooks. You just have to put it at the front of the right audience. This is how to actually make sales. This is something you want to put in your mindset. You don't make sales by just creating. You don't make sales by just making your ebook exist. You only make sales when you put it at the front of the right people that are interested in that particular ebook. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a whole lot in this particular video, or you have more questions, feel free to drop it down in the comment section. I'm here to help you out. I'm here to explain anything you have problems on, and I'm also here to ensure that yes, we are all on the same page. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Drop a like on the video as well, and I'll see you guys in our next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.